Hi guys, it's me UBprogrammer and welcome to the Python series. Let's see what is today's topic. Today's topic is if else. We have covered these topics in our previous video and we will cover if else in this video. If you are working on any custom project, you can let me know on the WhatsApp or mail or just fill out this form to discuss about your project and we will see what we can do for you. Okay. Tut 4 is done, tut 5 is here, tut4.py. I'm creating a new file so that I can share it with you in the description. Okay. If else is the topic. Now let's see what is this and why we use it in the programming. So in the programming, to control the flow of your program, we have to use flow structure or conditional statement. Yeah, so this is one of them. If else, or if I talk specifically in Python, we have if, elif, and then else. Let's see practically how it all works. Let's say my name is Obed and I'm storing this name in a variable, and I'm creating a door locking system or verification system so that whenever a user comes in, so it verifies the user and then let him enter or like ask him to leave. Okay. uh, so I will say if name equal, this equal is for comparing the name and then the value Obed. Then what to do? Then I'll print welcome, you are registered in the database or something like that. Okay. Yeah. Now let's see just running this thing. So Python tut5.py, welcome, you are registered. Okay. Now let's see if I change this to some other name. Let's see some other person is here, Elon. Okay, Elon is there. Now let's see, nothing gets prints because we haven't specified anything which is valid for not Obed. So if it's Obed, then it will print it. Otherwise, we haven't specified anything. What I can do is I can say else. So if it's not Obed, then print sorry, you have to get registered first. Yeah. Okay. Now let's again run this. So we are getting the input from the else statement. So this condition is not being true. This is giving false. Let me show you why it works. So if I just print only this thing, print here, let's see. So you will get a false response. But if it's Obed, actually Obed, then it will give a true response. Yeah, so it is giving a true response, right? Now let's see what is elif. So I want to register some other users now. So I have Obed registered, and then I want Elon to also get registered for this setup. I can just do elif name equal or comparison Elon, then also say, I would say the name now, welcome Elon, so that we can see which one is running. Okay, now let's see if Elon is here. Yeah, so welcome Elon, you are registered. So this line which is under the block of elif statement is getting executed. Yeah, so this is if, elif and else in the Python. I hope you understand the concept. We can do a lot with this concept, so we will use them in our future videos. I will meet you in the next one. Thanks for watching.